Our Nikki-Dee Ray always enjoys answering your questions, and in this week's I'm Glad You Asked segment, Renee from Lawrenceburg wants to know what is an easy experiment that you can do with your children using ingredients found at home. Here's
Hey Renee, I am glad you asked. Yeah, 2 normal elements that you have at home: vinegar, that probably reminds you a little bit of Easter when you take a smell of it, and baking soda that honestly can take the smell out of anything. A lot of times people keep this in their fridge or to make those yummy cookies. Another thing that we've really added to our homes recently are some gloves. Keeping us safe and protected. So grab one of the gloves, then you're gonna need a vase. You can use a jar, whatever is handy, but no, this one can get a little messy if you pour too much of one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take some of our vinegar, and this is gonna work as our acid, because honestly, it is acidic. And then we have our baking soda. Baking base, not necessarily related, but we can pretend like it is to make it easier to remember. And we're gonna take our glove. We're gonna pour some baking soda in here. Maybe do it over the sink, or just have that handy dandy vacuum with you. So we're gonna pour it in here. Kind of fill it up with little fingers. So once I put it on top, the glove is going to expand. By the way, you can also do this with a balloon. Gloves are just a little bit more fun. Okay, ready? So put it all the way around, flip it upside down, and you're gonna notice things are bubbling up quite a bit, and our glove, woo, is expanding, woo! Told you it could get a little messy. The reason is because the reaction is causing carbon dioxide to begin to expand up, and that's how our glove began to grow, as if we were putting air into it, which technically carbon dioxide is air, and it's just forming right here. A little bit of a mess, but it sure is fun and worth it. See, science is cool. I'm glad you asked, Renee, and if you've got a question, science or not, let me know and we'll figure out the answers together. Nikki-Dee.Ray at newschannel5.com.